Hey guys, how you going? So today, just a real quick one. Just want to show you, covered in bugs and shit. Just want to show you the new oil cooler guard I picked up. It's from Radgard Australia. It's solid as a rock. Looks like I hit something already. Solid as a rock, this thing. It's made from aluminium grade, like aero grade aluminium. It's pretty cool. I had one on my street bob before. It was a different shape. I'll just come up in front there. But this, yeah, definitely protects the oil cooler guard. Solid as, easy to go on. There's two little locating tips up the top there. Hooks on there. On the original one that comes in there, there's like little rubber grommets. The plastic one, you pop it off and lift it off. They supply the hardware. I found it wasn't long enough, so I just used my own and put it through. But yeah, protect the oil cooler guard at all costs, because if that goes, you're stranded. Stranded for sure. Yep, it's going to be a hot one today. It's going to be about 304 degrees Fahrenheit. It's got forecast to have about 40 degrees Celsius. It's going to be hot. It's going to be hot. It's about nice and early. It's about, I think it's about 8 o'clock in the morning. I've already been out riding, already got some breakfast in me. Now I'm heading home before it gets too hot. Alright. So that was it, guys. Yeah, Radgard Australia oil cooler guard for the Street Glide, Road Glide and Road Kings. There you go. Easy to fit, good quality, and pretty reasonably priced. So yeah, okay. Catch you later.